Hi guys! So, paano po gawin ito and ito? Let's go! First, we need a papel and we're gonna draw I want circle. Let's go draw it. So, we draw it the two circles and we're gonna put the scotch tape. I got the scotch tape. Go scotch tape. And the scotch tape na natin. Show na natin. Taran! So, we got to cut the two circles. Nakat ko na yung isa. So, yung isa naman. Ayan, nakat na natin. So, maybe retouch na natin sila. Nagawa na natin. Squishy.